Water pollution. By ReviseCo. These are the contents for today's video. The two main factors polluting the freshwater are sewage and the minerals from fertilizers. When the water is contaminated, it is a big threat to the humans and other living beings on Earth. All the living beings need water in order to stay alive and follow their everyday routine. Treated and untreated sewage systems. Sewage is the waste from houses, factories and farms. Treated sewage is the sewage water which has gone through a treatment process, where all the bacteria and contaminants are fully eliminated. The treated sewage is then passed to the rivers or seas. Untreated sewage is the sewage water that contains all the harmful chemicals and bacteria which are sent or disposed from the toilet pipe, industry leakage and heavy storm. Pollution of water by sewage. Industrial and agricultural sewage is treated separately from the household sewage. Household sewage are nothing but the wastewater from the kitchen and bathroom where the human urine and feces are dissolved along. It is then let through the pipes known as sewers, which treats the sewage water and then sends to the sea or river. What are the problems if untreated sewage is sent into waterways? Problems caused when untreated sewage is discharged. When the sewage is discharged untreated to the seawater, two major problems occur. The first problem is that the aerobic bacteria in it becomes polluted, which then starts to use up all the oxygen dissolved in the water, while the organic materials are broken down. This will cause a big reduction in the oxygen levels in water, which will in turn kill all other larger animals such as fish and insects. Untreated sewage is also harmful to human health since it contains pathogenic bacteria. Since aerobic bacteria feeds upon the oxygen present in the organic materials, the oxygen level decreases in the water. Only the animals or species with the ability to respire anaerobically can survive. When sewage water is cleaned, it takes oxygen from the air as it flows away from the outlet, reoxygenating the water. The water will now dissolve more oxygen. Clean water species have an easier time surviving as a result. The aims of the sewage treatment is to remove the solid, all the suspended organic matter and the pathogenic microorganisms, in order for a cleaner waste to be discharged into the waterways such as sea and river. Eutrophication. Eutrophication is a chain reaction in the ecosystem. It is a Greek word with the meaning well-fed. It is when a large amount of inorganic chemicals, such as nitrates or phosphates, enter the water body like lakes or rivers. The excess minerals are from untreated or treated sewage, and from any artificial nitrates or phosphate fertilizers. Causes of eutrophication. Usage of artificial fertilizers are the main cause for eutrophication. Nitrates are easily soluble in water and hence it is washed out of the soil by rain, and then to the nearby river, which is also known as leaching. The minerals then are a main factor for the growth of all plants in the river, but a rapid one for growth of algae called the algae bloom. Growth of algae bloom due to eutrophication. Algae has the ability to multiply and grow rapidly and they form a thick scum on the surface of the water. Scum is a dirty or unpleasant substance on the surface of a liquid. Once the algae dies, they get decomposed by the aerobic bacteria present in the water. The algae blocks light from reaching the plants inside the water, which results in less photosynthesis and hence, less oxygen is released. This is the main cause for reduction of oxygen and dying of aerobic animals. The water then becomes anoxic, that is with less oxygen, and makes it easier for the anaerobic bacteria to survive. This image shown here is a summary of all the slides we learned under the process of eutrophication. Use this time to read through the image. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it helps you for your quick revision. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and give a like to this video, if you think it was helpful.